learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。油桐树曾经是客家人的经济作物，以桃竹苗地区栽植最多。提炼的桐油用来制作油漆或加强纸伞防水，木油桐则做成家具、木屐、牙签等用品。桐花酿造花蜜，用途广泛。2002年，以雪白桐花为意象，传递客家敬天地、种山林传统。客家桐花季因此诞生。每年4到5月，不妨到各地客庄走走，参加艺文活动，欣赏犹如5月雪的满山桐花，品尝美食。
Hey, Nancy, look at all the pictures I took over the weekend.
Ooh, look at all that snow. Where'd you go?
I knew you would say that. You're wrong. It's not snow. It's actually tongue flower, and the blossom season is in, and it looks like snow, doesn't it?
Oh, totally. It totally looks like snow.
In fact, this blossom has a nickname. It's known as the Snow of May.
How poetic.
Yeah, and in Hakka, you know how do you say that? Nyesiet.
Nyesiet.
You got it. There you
Nice. Actually, it kind of reminds me of cherry blossoms, because I went to Japan recently with a couple of friends, and we just sat under a cherry blossom tree, and the wind blew, and it was like it was snowing, except it was pink.
Except it was pink, yeah.
Right.
So we can enjoy it in pure white here in Taiwan.
Actually, when you say tongue blossom, it reminds me of the Hakka.
Oh, it does. In fact, it reminds most people of the Hakka a lot, because traditionally, the tongue flower is a source of income for Hakka people.
Oh.
They would use the oil extracted from the flower and use it as a coating or paint to repel water. For instance, on furniture. And they're also known for making paper umbrellas.
Right, making paper umbrellas water repellent.
Yes.
It kind of reminds me Italians and olive trees.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's so many different uses for the trees and the oil. It's come to represent Italians.
Yeah, I believe the tongue flower has that same use too for cuisine as well. So we should arrange a date, go out and enjoy this tongue flower blossom, and have a traditional full-size Hakka meal together.
Tongue blossom feast.
Yes.
My stomach says yes.
Let's do that soon, okay, Nancy?
Let's do it.
And before we go out and enjoy the Tongue Flower Festival, let's learn some Hakka with Leo. 好，我们这边要请 Leo 来教几个跟这些桐花有关的字啊。比如说我们的客家桐花季。
客家桐花季
Hakka 桐花季 that is the Hakka Tongue Flower Festival. And then the tongue flower, 油桐花
油桐花
油桐花 And finally, it's also known as the Snow of May, 5月雪
nyesiet
nyesiet. And there you go. That is it for today's Talk About Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100. 俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.